You think cute animals are harmless? Bro, these ones will speedrun your funeral. Before we start, hit that like and subscribe, or a hippo might personally deliver your consequences. Number 5. Slow loris. Looks soft and cuddly, until it whips out the toxic elbows. Literally venom on hard mode. Number 4. Swan. Pretty on the outside, built like an NPC with max strength. Can actually break your arm IRL. Number 3. Red panda. Adorable fluffball. Nah, this dude fights like he's trying out for WWE. Number 2. Dolphin. Smiles like your best friend, but acts like your toxic ex who never healed. Number 1. Hippopotamus. Cute, chunky, and shaped like a beanbag, but pulls up with final boss energy.